In this video, I'm going to show you how to add icons in Figma for free. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top menu, click on Design. Adding icons in Figma is essential for creating visually engaging and intuitive designs, as they help communicate ideas quickly without relying solely on text. Icons improve usability by guiding users through an interface, making navigation easier and more recognizable. They also enhance the visual hierarchy, allowing designers to highlight important actions or information while keeping the design clean and minimal. In order to add icons, we need to add a plugin. In the bottom menu, click on the Action button. In the pop-up menu, click on Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, search for Icons 8. You may get a lot of search results for the icon plugin, but this is the plugin that we need. Let's click on it. Be careful to choose the right one. In the pop-up menu, click on Run. Here you can see that our plugin has been added successfully. In the plugin menu, you get a lot of icons to work with. You can change the icon pack as well. You can change the resolution of the icon and the color as well. If you need an icon that you can't find in the menu, you can just search for it. In the top search bar, search for the icon you want. Let's search for File, for example. Here you get a lot of file icons. Just click on the one that you want. After clicking, if I close the plugin, you can see that the icon has been added to my canvas. Following these steps, you can easily add an icon in Figma.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.